What is up? What is up? What is up? It is your girl Desire. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below right now so you're subscribed to my channel. So today all I'll be doing is just a little braid out on my hair. Y'all, this is the first braid out I've done in like 6 years. The first time was on my transitioning hair from relaxed hair and it looked terrible, so I didn't do it again. So I'm trying it out again today. So all I did is wash and deep condition my hair, and then I went in with the Mielle leave-in conditioner, brushed my hair up into 2 ponytails and braided them down, and then I went to sleep. So now this is the next day, so I will just section my hair off into sections and then split the back into 2 parts, so there's 2 braids in the back. All I will be using is some water, the I Am DoubleButter Cream, and the Aunt Jackie's Defining Curl Custard. And all I'm going to do is do a little spritz of water on my hair just to get it a little wet. And then I'll be going in with the I Am Cream, and then going in with the Aunt Jackie's Defining Curl Custard. And then I'll just be smoothing all of that throughout my hair. I will use a brush to distribute the product throughout my whole hair, and then I will just go ahead and braid that up. And then I'll be using a perm rod to curl the ends of my hair, and then I'll just be repeating this whole process around my whole head.
You're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely. I get so lonely. So stay by my side. Come on close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. Find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way.
Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this part real quick. So just to do this middle section, I do split it off into 3 sections instead of 2, just because I want a section in the middle, just so there's no part going down my head. Because I noticed that whenever I do my twist outs, it's harder to mask that part in the middle of my hair, in the middle of my head. So I just want to go ahead and just put a section in the middle, just so that I don't have that problem again. And then I will just go ahead and part those 3 sections into 2 additional sections, if that makes sense. Just so that my roots have a little more definition, since I don't know how to cornrow or braid to my scalp. But yeah. Here I really tried to cornrow this middle part down, but I was struggling so much. Like, it looks like I'm getting it, but I really wasn't. Like, my fingers were just doing all types of crazy stuff. I do not know what was happening, but I tried and I just gave up. I gave up and just split that part in half as well. Okay, and for this part, you know, I thought I would give it another try to cornrow my hair a little bit or do like, you know, braid to the scalp. So with this one, I'll show you just quickly, but I did do it at the top. It looks a little bad, but it doesn't look too bad. I did not take it out. I just wanted to leave it, just see how it came out. But I am done here. Showing you guys again that little braid. Okay, so now I'll be going in with my Naturally Nita hair oil. My aunt's best friend makes this hair oil, and y'all, this oil is the truth. I had some thinning on the right side of my head from parting it too much, and this baby thickened it up, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and leave her Instagram down below. Y'all go check her out. She does ship, okay? She ships. But yeah, I'll just be oiling my scalp, and this is kind of, you know, giving me some Felicia vibes. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. But yeah, so I just did go ahead and oil my scalp, and then I'll just be tying my head down and going to bed for the night.
Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock?
Okay guys, it is the next day, so I did go ahead and do my makeup and I did my edges. So I'm just taking off my headscarf, and then y'all see how shiny and moisturized my hair looks. It looks so good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel my hair, or what am I talking about? I'm just gonna go ahead and take my perm rods out, and some of them did fall out throughout the night, and when I woke up I just put more of the Aunt Jackie's Defined Curl Custard on the ends and re-put the perm rods on, and then I went and showered and did all that good stuff. And so this is just me taking them out.
What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Okay, and then I'll be taking my Custom by Key Nourishment Oil and putting that down my braids just to add a little more shine throughout my hair. And then I will put a little bit on my fingertips as I'm unraveling my hair. So right now I'll just be going ahead and doing that right now.
Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never wanted you to leave. Looking back on our past, I don't wanna
And I still ain't got a picky yet, but right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my wide tooth comb and just fluff out my hair more. Okay, y'all, that is it. This is the final look. I love it so much. Y'all went from bye Felicia to fine Felicia. This braid out came out so good. My hair is so soft and everything. I'm definitely going to learn how to cornrow. But yes, that is it. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.